Are you tired of scrolling through YouTube, dreaming of making big bucks, but feeling stuck with no idea where to start? Struggling to create content that grabs attention and racks up views? Or maybe you're just overwhelmed by complicated video editing tools that eat up your time and energy. Well, buckle up, because I'm about to blow your mind with a game-changing solution. In just 20 minutes, I created a news-style video that could earn over $20,000, and I'm going to show you how to do it too. Stick with me, and by the end of this video, you'll have the exact blueprint to build your own money-making news channel from the comfort of your home. Let's dive in. All right, let's kick things off with the secret sauce. The tool I use to whip up this high-earning video is an all-in-one powerhouse. It gives you AI-generated voiceovers, stunning avatars, and full editing capabilities to create professional news videos in minutes. The best part? No excuses, no barriers, just pure opportunity waiting for you to grab it. Imagine crafting videos that look like they came straight from a TV studio without spending a dime on fancy equipment. That's the kind of power we're talking about. Now, let me prove how massive this opportunity is. Picture this: a single English news video on YouTube with 46 million views. At a conservative $2 RPM, that's revenue per 1,000 views, that's a jaw-dropping $92,000 from one video. And it's not a one-hit wonder. Check this out. Channels are pulling in 39 million, 27 million, 24 million views on similar videos, and all these are fully monetized. Another channel posted a video just 7 days ago, already nearing 1 million views. Others have 21 million, 11 million, 9 million views, all monetized, all raking in serious cash. These videos? They're just animated images with AI voiceovers, yet they're dominating YouTube. But we're going to take it to the next level and create professional-grade news videos that stand out. Ready? Let's keep going. Step 1. Choose a winning niche and find trending news. To make videos that people can't stop watching, we need a niche that's evergreen and buzzing with demand. That's why we're focusing on celebrity news, Hollywood stars, their scandals, romances, and drama. Why? Because celebrity gossip never dries up, and the audience for it is endless. You'll never run out of content, and those views will keep pouring in. This is your ticket to building a thriving English-language news channel that earns big money. So where do we find these hot, trending stories? Head over to Google News. It's your gold mine for the latest buzz. Once you're there, you'll see local news by default, but we're aiming for global appeal. Click the Settings button, select Language and Region, and choose English, United States, and hit Update. Boom! Now you're swimming in US-based news. Scroll to the Entertainment category, and you'll find juicy stories about celebrities like Hulk Hogan or Tom Cruise trending at the top. For example, a recent story about Tom Cruise holding hands with a mystery woman is blowing up. Click Full Coverage to see hundreds of websites covering the same story, proof it's trending like crazy. Pick a story, open a reputable site like people.com, and you've got your article complete with images. This is the raw material for your viral video. Let's move to the next step. Step 2. Craft a professional script with AI. Now that you've got your trending story, it's time to turn it into a killer script. Forget ChatGPT, we're using a next-level tool called GravityWrite. Search for it on Google, click the first link, and sign up for an account. Once you're in, head to the search bar, type script, and scroll down to find Script for Television Broadcast. Click it, and you're ready to roll. Copy the article you found, minus any images or fluff, and paste it into the tool. Add your channel name, let's say the Radio TV Global, and choose a name for your AI anchor like Lisa. You can skip the reporter field if you want. Hit Create Content, and in seconds, GravityWrite generates a polished, TV-ready script. It starts with, "Good evening, I'm Lisa and welcome to the Radio TV News." You can read it, tweak it a little bit with your creativity, or even translate it. Copy this script, paste it into a notepad, and clean it up to make it flow naturally. This is the backbone of your video, and it's ready for the spotlight. Let's keep the momentum going. Step 3. Gather visuals and background elements. A news video isn't just about words, it's about visuals that grab attention. Go back to the article you chose and right-click to download the images or use your phone to save them. You can also revisit Google News' full coverage section to grab more images from other websites. Want video clips? Copy the news headline, paste it into YouTube's search bar, and you'll find tons of videos on the same topic. Download short 3 to 4 second clips to sprinkle into your video. Don't use anything longer to keep it snappy. Next, you need pro-level backgrounds and music. Search Google for news background videos and check out sites like Pexels, FreePic, or Vetsy. On FreePic, avoid premium videos marked with a golden crown and download free ones like a looping news background or a breaking news ticker. You'll need 3 things: a ticker strip for headlines, a breaking news animation, and a background video that runs throughout. For music, head to Pexels, click the Music tab, search News, and preview tracks. Download one that fits the high-energy vibe of your video. With your script, images, clips, and backgrounds ready, you're set to bring it all together. Step 4. Edit like a pro with one tool. Here's where the magic happens. We're using HitPaw Eddy Marker, the ultimate all-in-one tool for creating professional news videos, and you get 30 credits to try its AI features. This tool handles everything: AI avatars, voiceovers, effects, and editing. Let's make it happen. Start by adding your breaking news clip to the timeline. Next, layer in your background video to run continuously. Now for the star of the show, your AI avatar. Click the AI avatar button, paste your script into the text box, and choose a voiceover from the options. Pick one that sounds crisp and professional. Scroll through the avatars, professional, speech, or education styles, and select one that fits your vibe. Hit generate, and in moments, your avatar and voiceover are ready. Drag the avatar to the timeline, adjust its size and position using the mask tool on circle or rectangle on the right or left corner. Now add text for your ticker. Choose a text template, adjust the size, and type breaking news in the top red bar. Copy your news headline from the article and paste it into the yellow ticker below. Next, add your downloaded images and video clips, syncing them with the voiceover. Crop images to fit and keep video clips to 3 to 4 seconds for a dynamic feel. Everything should match the script naturally. No need to overthink it. Finally, add your background music, lower its volume so the voiceover shines, and hit export to download your video in the highest resolution. And there you have it, your ticket to creating a viral news channel that could earn you thousands of dollars from home. Follow these steps and you'll be pumping out professional videos that dominate YouTube. If you loved this tutorial, smash that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to the Radio TV Global for more game-changing tips. Let's make those dollars rain.
Good evening, I'm Lisa, and welcome to the Radio TV News. Tonight, we bring you the latest entertainment headlines. Hollywood stars Tom Cruise and Ana de Armas appear to have officially confirmed their romantic relationship after months of speculation. We begin tonight with breaking entertainment news. After 5 months of dating rumors, Tom Cruise and Ana de Armas have seemingly made their relationship. The 63-year-old Mission Impossible star and 37-year-old actress were spotted showing public displays of affection during a weekend getaway in Vermont. Cruise wore dark blue casual attire while holding hands with de Armas, who kept it simple in a white tee and black jeans. Their romance rumors first began in February when they were photographed at dinner in London. Initially, sources claimed they were discussing potential work collaborations. However, subsequent sightings included David Beckham's birthday party, yacht trips in Spain, and most recently, an Oasis concert at Wembley Stadium. It's always exciting when Hollywood romances bloom both on and off screen. We'll continue following this developing story. That's all for tonight's broadcast. Stay tuned for more updates on this story and other breaking news. Thank you for watching the Radio TV News. I'm Lisa. Good night.